Seusai itu, senja jadi sendu, awan pun mengabung. Kepergianmu menyisakan duka dalam hidupku. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
Sabar itu memerlukan keyakinan. Jadi kalau sabar nggak ada yakinnya itu konyol. Kalau kita sabar itu kita yakin di balik kesabaran ini Allah telah menyiapkan sesuatu yang baik dengan cara apa? Ikhtiar. Jadi sambil sabar, sambil ikhtiar. Nanti di balik kesabaran yang kita iringi dengan ikhtiar itu akan mendatangkan kejutan dari Allah. Surprise.
Luar biasa.
Insya Allah begitu.
If you're looking for a sign, something to carry you back into the light, love is the answer.
Orang yang hidup itu satu saat pasti akan diwafatkan. Kalau sudah wafat akan dikuburkan. Di semua kita tidak ada yang bebas dari penungguan di alam kuburnya. Karena kita nggak akan bisa menolak kematian. Kalau sudah wafat pasti dikubur. Jadi kalau kita sudah sadar ini resiko kebaikan, ini resiko keburukan, dan kita tahu akan wafat, akan dikuburkan, bagaimana cara persiapannya? Maka jangan banyak bergaul dengan orang-orang yang menjauhkan kita dari ridha Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Cari teman yang baik sekarang.
Fading of the day, as night takes over, and I can almost feel you here. Your memory remains. I breathe in closer. I swear that I still feel you near.
Kalau Allah menginginkan seorang hamba jadi orang baik, maka Allah akan berikan 3 sifat ini kepada hamba tersebut. Yang pertama, yufaqihu fiddin. Allah mudahkan ia memahami agamanya serta mengamalkan apa yang ia fahami. Yang kedua, Allah jadikan dunia hanya di dalam tangannya, tidak masuk sampai ke dalam hatinya. Dan yang ketiga, Allah izinkan hamba tersebut pandai melihat aib-aibnya, lalu ia memperbaiki dirinya dan ia tidak akan pernah disibukkan dengan melihat kepada aibnya orang lain.
الصلاة خير من النوم. الصلاة خير من النوم. الصلاة خير من النوم.
Put God first. Put God first in everything you do. Everything that you think you see in me, everything that I've accomplished, everything that you think I have, and I have a few things, everything that I have is by the grace of God.
I love the unexpected friendships I found. These are the kind of friendships where I can be myself, even if the world doesn't like that version of me. The friendship I have now is comfortable and gentle. I don't have to be perfect with them because they never judge me. They always listen, no matter how strange or unusual the things I say are. And they don't complain. They understand my deepest emotional scars and help me heal it. This has made me realize that true friendship isn't about how long you've known someone. It's about those who come into your life and say, I'm here for you, and actually prove it.
Trust the timing. Someone graduated at 21 but waited 15 years to get job. Someone had no education but was a millionaire at 25. Someone got married at 25 but got a divorce 5 years later. Someone got married at 40 and found everlasting love. You're not late. You're not early. You're exactly where you are supposed to be.
Be silent in these three situations. Number 1, be silent when you are angry. Number 2, be silent when people do not value your words. And number 3, be silent when you want to listen to people.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet, sat by the river.
If I could turn